So, where have I been? My name is Crystal Olisa. Thank you so much for dropping by. Be sure to subscribe for more amazing content. Today we're going to be discussing my random absences on this channel and why I've not been able to stick to my 2 videos a week situation like promise that I made, because I am very determined to be doing 2 videos a week, but the past like 3 weeks the moving bug kind of bit me, so I've been up and down all over Nairobi literally looking for a new place to live, and I finally found one and I'm really excited about that. So yeah, I'm moving. That is my big announcement in this video. So I am actually really excited because I'm planning so much like home decor, home tour type style videos for this channel. So I'm actually able to dip a bit more into the lifestyle side versus just like strictly makeup. So I'm really excited. But speaking of makeup, this look will be up sometime next week. This is my full face of my most expensive makeup and it ran up quite a bill. So I'm pretty excited for you to see that. But yes, today's video is sort of a come shopping with me, but like a low-key come shopping with me because I haven't actually shopped for my house fully, but I just want to show you the couple of things that I've already gotten to stock up for my new place because I'm really excited about it. I will insert a clip here so you can see kind of what I'm working with. It's not like complete, it's actually being constructed, so I will be the first tenant in that place. I feel like this is a perfect situation of when God has put something aside for you, it's literally just yours. You don't have to fight for it, you don't have to like throw people under the bus for it, you know, like it kind of all just comes together. Perfect timing, perfect location, perfect everything. So obviously I'm not going to tell you where I live because we have crazy people in Nairobi and I don't need someone trying to follow me home, but it is a pretty nice place. I have like trees and like a backyard space, so like the content will be next level. I have like an island open plan kitchen. I am obsessed with this place. I will show you a bit more as it progresses because even the videos that I do have that are a bit more finished are not of my specific unit, because the fact that it's being constructed means that I had a bit more leeway with the landlord. I could pick out my tiles, I could pick out my this and my that, and I'm really excited. So I cannot wait to finally show you like the vision in my head come to life. But yes, today's video is all about like home decor tips. First of all, if you're not following Grace Ndiage, you need to be following her because I have watched literally all the videos on her channel for the home decorating tips, and she's the one who turned me onto TACC, which is Tile and Carpet Center. They've like rebranded and they're like all edgy and hip and it's now TACC, and I'm in love with that store. I literally have been restless about wanting to go to the Garden City one because I live around the area. I'm moving, so I can tell you. And I've always just passed by it. I've never gone inside it. And she got some drawer linings that were so beautiful from that place. So today I decided to like walk around. I've fallen in love with so many pieces. I cannot wait to pick them up for my house. But they are quite some things are pricey, some things are so affordable. Like the prices kind of blew me away because I always expected them to be like super expensive and like aspirational and a bit unaffordable. So yeah, there are a couple of things that I really want that are pretty damn expensive, but I am going to just suck it up and like save all of my coins and buy them. But yeah, I'm just like literally speaking from memory because I did do a walkthrough and I managed to get away with quite a bit of footage before someone like working there came up and were like, "Madam, you're not allowed to record in here, blah blah blah." And I was like, "Oh, what do you mean? Oh my goodness, there's no recording allowed." Like I was so glad that I'd been allowed to get away with it for so damn long. So I actually did get quite some good footage for you guys, but I will spread that out in a different video where I'm like actually going to pick up the things and then I'll like reference a video because now I can't go in and record again. But yeah, I do have a couple of very interesting plans, very excited about it. So that is what I have been doing. I've just been like running up and down. Where I'm moving is kind of a bit far. It's not really out of town, it's it's a bit far, so especially from where I'm living right now, so the back and forth going to see the house, taking my family to see the house, because I've only moved once in my life to this place, which I like it. It's comfortable, but I think I've just outgrown it. Like, I outgrew it a while ago, but I didn't really want to bother moving, you know? So yeah, I've just been like up and down, and I've been coming home exhausted, and I have work, I have clients, I have so many things to do that videos, I don't really want to post things just for the sake of posting, which is why I'd kind of like post on a Tuesday or post on like a Monday and then skip the second one, or post the second one, skip the first one. So yes, I am still going to be a bit erratic with it, but I am putting in the effort, so hopefully I'll have another video for you early next week. But yeah, yes, let me show you the things that I did get, because I have a couple of different places that I'm shopping at. So today I actually visited TACC, Garden City, Healthy You, and Game, and all of them are freaking amazing. And Mr. Price, the thing that I saw at Mr. Price, I saw this one gorgeous container that I'm absolutely obsessed with. It was about 700 shillings. It was absolutely perfect. I was already thinking like I'll put sugar in it or tea leaves or something. And then I walked across the floor to Game, and they had a bigger version of the same thing for only like 200 bob more, because I think the original one was about 700 and then the bigger one was like 900. So there is such a huge importance to like actually walking around and shopping around and seeing what your different options are, because they basically have the same thing. And I noticed that since both Mr. Price and Game are from South Africa, I feel like they're more likely to have similar things, because some of the lamps and whatever in Game are the same as the ones in Mr. Price, but they're cheaper. So definitely check out the closest Game to you. I don't know how many stores they actually have locally available, but Game is literally the place to go because of the first thing that I'm going to show you, which is literally the latest thing that I've bought. This blanket! I am obsessed. I cannot tell you how beautiful, how soft this is. I literally had no plans of buying anything today. I was just gonna walk around, and then I found this, and I watched Nancy Moy's video where she talked about her throw, and she had all the details in her blog post. I even went to the blog post and like read everything, and the blanket that she had that looked exactly like this was, well, it looked literally 80% like this, was about 6,500 from the shop that she got it on Gong Road or something. Whereas I found this, I even have the receipt. I got this for 13.35. That is 1,335 shillings. This apparently means nothing. It's like a promotion that they were having in South Africa, and I guess they just didn't want to repackage it for Kenya. But I had to shoot this video today because I am opening this blanket today, and I wanted to show you the packaging. So yeah, I do have a bit of footage even in Game, but I was trying to be like a bit more low-key about it, you know, so it's not as much as a TACC one, but I mean, TACC literally just stole my heart. Mr. Price has really good throws, but a lot of them are not warm, and for me, a throw has to be multifunctional. Like, I have to be able to like cozy up in it and get all snugglified, you know. So, and this is the throw. Grace mentioned in one of her videos that she actually picked up her throws from TACC's, and I'm trying to find time to go to that TACC's at like near Nyayo Stadium. You know, like Nyayo Stadium is literally my nightmare, so it's very difficult for me to like go all the way to that side. So when I saw this for 1,300 versus the one she was saying for like 500 bob, I really wanted to wait and get that one. But I love this color. Gray and blues are literally my aesthetic, so I cannot wait to have like a gray and blue house basically. So I knew this would work out perfectly, and even if I found something cheaper, I wouldn't be too mad at myself for having bought this, just because it's 1,300 shillings and not 6,500. So yeah, I love this. I don't think I'll be able to show you like the full size of it, but it's actually a pretty big one, and it's super soft, super cozy. It feels like it will actually keep me warm, so I'm really excited to start using this now and like transition it to my actual house as a throw. So yeah, I love anything cozy, sweaters, knits, wool. That's just my vibe. So I am obsessed. I am obsessed, and they actually have a few pieces left. So Game, Garden City, 1,300 shillings, definitely a must. Next thing that I bought is something I literally went to town just for this specific thing because I am obsessed with it, and I am really glad that I found an affordable version of this, because everywhere that I've been looking, they've been like 4,500 or 6,500, which is fine if you want to buy like one as a statement piece, but I want these all over my house. So I was actually thinking about shipping them in from IKEA, because I thought that'd be about 3,000 shillings ish, which is still better than 4,500, and then I ship in like 2 or 3, but thank God for Grace and her linking. Literally, I have to give her props because it is my obsession and like my obsessive following of her links to all these Instagram stores that had led me to this, because this is one of those sheepskin fur rugs that everyone is selling for like 6,000 shillings or whatever, and I got this for 1,800 shillings, which is kind of amazing. That's $18, and it's like the real thing. Obviously it's fake fur, so I'm not trying to like skin rabbits or whatever it's supposed to be made of. I like that it's fake because yeah, when the real ones get wet, they get disgusting. Like, they smell horrible. So yeah, I really like this. I don't think I can actually show you the shape in this video, but maybe I'll find a way to insert it. I don't know, but you will see it in the new house, so it doesn't really matter. But 1,800 shillings. I picked up this color because it was the last one in this specific design. They do have bigger ones at like a higher price point if you're interested. But yeah, I really liked this color. I will go back for a gray one and a white one and a blue one. But yeah, I just wanted to have one to like remind me of why I love it so much. So I did pick this up. I'm trying to not shop too much before I actually enter the house because I really want to be in the space and visualize what it is I need for it specifically. So yeah, these two are like my cozy purchases, and then I will say I'm done, and then I'll have another haul next week, so let's not even like lie to each other, you know? Next are two things that I can't actually show you physically right now, just because one is sitting on my dresser and it's quite huge and I cannot lift it, so I will just insert a picture of it here. Another place that I like to shop, and I have been shopping for like the longest time, once I do my house tour, you'll actually be able to see my different like furniture pieces, and I got them all on this group on Facebook. I don't know if you've heard of it, Nairobi Expats Marketplace. Expat, like expatriate marketplace, because it's like for foreigners who are coming into the country to like find affordable things, or foreigners who are leaving the country and literally want to liquidate their lives, you know? So I've gotten a few pieces at very affordable prices, and that basket, which she called it a wicker shelf, I think it's like a reed shelf basket situation. I really love it. I was so on the fence about it before I bought it, but I'm really glad I went and like saw it in person, because I thought it would be smaller, which is like the standard size that everyone goes for, but I like everything that I own to be like excessively large for some reason. So I think I have this fear of not having enough storage, so it kind of makes me panic, and it's informing a few of the decisions I'm making for my new place. But basically this is huge, and pause this video and like guess how much I bought it for down below, because you will not be anywhere near right. So let me know what you think. I bought this for second hand from someone, but I paid 1,500 shillings for this. So you see, let other people like commission these things and like pay the fundi excessive amounts of money to make them, and then as they're leaving the country they need to basically throw them away, so they give them to us at really good prices. I love that group. I've been a member for like years, since I first moved out to this place. That is literally how I furnish this house, and everything is so affordable. Well, not everything. Some people try to pawn off, they try to push their bad buying decisions onto you. So like if they bought a couch for 200,000, they're like, oh, it's just 150, and I'm like, you are on drugs. You know? So yes, 1,500 shillings, absolutely amazing. It is gigantic. In the picture it doesn't look quite as huge, but I literally struggled getting it up the stairs, so it's actually quite big, and I will show you that once I'm in my new place. And there is one more thing that I bought that I am obsessed with. I am so like, literally that has been my dream for so damn long, but I haven't been able to find it. Like, again, to the thing that what God has set aside for you is yours no matter what. So yeah, I didn't even know how I would transport this, because it doesn't fit in my car. It doesn't fit in any car of anyone that I know except for my uncle, who is absolutely amazing. Love him. But yeah, I roped him into transporting this, into picking this up for me, because it won't even fit in my house right now, is how full my house is. But it's a clothing rack, basically. Long story short, it is a rolling wooden with a metal like rod thing clothing rack, and I love it so much. It's not in my house right now. It's at my uncle's, waiting for me to move so it can go to my house properly. But yeah, I'm really excited about that, and I got that for 3,000 shillings, which is another amazing price, because I was actually thinking of having that thing made, and I know a fundi would have just charged me excessive prices because this isn't a necessity, you know, so he just thinks this frivolous child needs to be overpriced for these things. But I'm really glad I picked that up, and yes, that is the extent of my house shopping for my new place. I haven't bought like glasses or like the glass vases that you've seen, because walking through TACC, I saw how affordable things are. Like, you can actually get things for like 200, 300, you can actually get things for 1,800 that are absolutely stunning, beautiful pieces. I cannot wait to go back for them. I actually think the only thing I'm going to go back for are those fern, like plastic fake flowers, just because I want as many of them as I can possibly have in my house, and the less shipping I have to do, the better for me, you know? So yeah, I'm not gonna shop anymore for my new place, just because I want to really be in the space and not buy excessive amounts of things that are gonna clutter it, you know? So yeah, I can't wait to show you more. I wish I'd recorded myself in this store. I'll link the Instagram down below, but this store literally has everything you could need. It is in Sasamol, stall B15. They have amazing things, and they're actually quite affordable, and they have beautiful throws, though their throws are 4,500, so I feel like I'll go pick up one that's just incredibly amazing, and then the rest of them I'll go to TACC's and like really look until I find one. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Stick around to see how I got this makeup look done and how we reached a price tag of $927, which is kind of obscene. It's kind of obscene that I have $1,000 on my face. I have 92,000 shillings on my face right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna end this here. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you like it. Let me know if you want to see more come shopping with me style vlogs, because I'm kind of learning how to vlog undercover, so hopefully I can get away with it a bit more. There's a lot of content coming. I know I keep saying that, but there actually is a lot of like interesting stuff coming. So subscribe, turn on notifications so you can be notified whenever anything new comes up, and I will see you in my next video.